need to add in citations, especially when you're creating a research report or doing an academic documentation. And to add in citations, you can go into tools right here and you have citation as an option, as you can see right here. So simply click on citation, and over here on the right side, you can see that citation options are here. So over here, you can see that you can add an MLA or APA or Chicago author date system of citation right here. So for this example, let's go with MLA and add the citation source. So over here, you can choose the type of the source that you want to use. You can go for book, you can go for book section, but for this example, let's go with book. So it's accessed by, let's say, for example, print. So you can go around over here and choose the author, or you can also add in the name of editor or translator. So in the first name, I'm just going to say Robert right over here, and I'm not going to add any middle name, but I'm just going to say Bert right here. And this is not a company or an organization. So title will be How to Use Google Docs, just like this. Publisher will be YouTube, and published year will be 2020 right here. So city is going to be, let's say for example, city is going to be Bangkok, and then the edition is going to be second right here. So this is going to be second edition, no volume, no number of volumes or short titles. So I can just add the citation source right here, and then it's there. So you can type in a sentence right over here, just like that. This is a sentence, just like this, and then I can just cite this out, and that is inserted, as you can see right here. So replace this with page number as it says right here. So you can just go around. So that is it. That is how you can cite it out. And then at the end, you can also create bibliography list. So you can just go around and click on insert bibliography, and it'll insert out the list right here. You can add in more sources. So I'm just going to go to website right over here. So Robert, just like this. I'm just going to add that in. Title is going to be test, and website is going to be test.com, just like that. So I'm just going to go around and type this. Publisher is going to be an A right over here. URL is going to be okay. So this is not the website title right over here. So I'm just going to type in http:// and website title is going to be test. So let me just add the source right here. And then what you can do is you can cite this out as well, just like this. And over here at the end, you can insert bibliography, and both of this list has been generated. And that is how you can work with citations and insert citations. So you can also change this out into APA format right over here. You can go for cite right here, go for cite, and that's how it has been cited. As you can see, you can insert bibliography. Now it's in APA format now. So you can also go over here, change it to Chicago author date format. So you can see that now citation is similar right here, insert bibliography, and then now this is different. So that is how you can work around with citations inside of Google Docs document to cite your sources. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.